Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the install path and integrity, because corrupted files cause Directx errors. Next, install the Directx end-user runtimes and the Visual C++ redistributables. This provides missing DLLs. Once done, right-click the game executable, choose Run as administrator, and set compatibility to Windows 7. Make sure textures and legacy API calls can initialize. These immediate steps fix most startup failures by restoring required libraries and granting the process proper privileges, so the renderer can load. You now focus on drivers and settings, because modern GPUs and overlays often break legacy DirectX calls. Update your NVIDIA/AMD/Intel driver to the latest stable WHQL release, and disable Steam or Discord overlays to prevent conflicts. Then, force the game into DirectX 9 mode by editing the shortcut or options. Set resolution to a common value and choose the correct render device. Lower refresh rates sometimes help. These changes reboot how the GPU communicates with the game and resolve mismatched API behaviors. You finish by repairing both game and system files, which eliminates stubborn DirectX faults. Extract clean DLLs from the Directx package into the game folder, then run sfc/scano and dism restore health to fix Windows components. These commands repair the underlying runtime. If problems persist, uninstall the game, remove leftover configs, and reinstall. Alternatively, test with a compatibility layer like DG Voodoo 2. Key troubleshooting tip. If errors remain, note the exact error code and test on another PC. This isolates hardware versus software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.